From a whole nother planet. Ice on my neck dancing. Ice on my neck.
Hello everybody, I'm back with another video basically showing you guys how to get a rubber band headband. And the first thing I do obviously is part my hair in the front and then move the rest of my hair out of the way. Once that was done, I just parted my hair into a box and secured it with the rubber band. And then I just twisted my hair and then secured it with another rubber band so my hair can stay in place. Once that was done, I just tied the little twist in the back. For the rest of my hair, I decided to do a wash and go, so I just added some Cantu conditioner and Cantu curl activator. For a little bit more definition, I take the ends of my hair and curl it with my toothbrush. I know it sounds weird, but it actually works. Then I just did my edges and I waited for my hair to dry. Once my hair was dry, I just started to fluff it and have it, as big as I desire. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.